How to navigate Khan Academy app. Just downloaded the Khan Academy app. In this quick video, I will walk you through how to navigate the app so you can start learning fast and stress-free. Now when you open the app, you will land on the home screen just like this. Here you will see your recommended lessons and progress across different subjects. Now to explore more, tap onto the Explore button right here. Select it. From here, you can simply see the math to science to history. You can choose any subject and start from any level. Now pick a lesson just like this. Keep on tapping on it. Then simply tap to watch a video and then try out the practice questions. Each course is broken into bite-sized chunks. Now want to see how you are doing? Tap on your profile or progress tab to check your streak, skills mastered and badges earned. Tap onto settings right here. Then from here you can simply see your progress. And that's how you navigate the Khan Academy app like a pro. And that's it. This is how you can navigate the Khan Academy app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.